Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted Obsidian nodes. So first thing what we need to do is head over to the settings, bottom left corner, gear icon, click on it. Now under the core plugins on the left hand side menu and scroll down where you will see file recovery. So where it is, file recovery. So this switch needs to be on. So then click the gear icon next to file recovery. So this one. And now you need to search for a snapshot and then click the view. Type the exact name of your deleted or broken nodes in the search bar. So yeah, here you need to know what you have deleted. So I'm not exactly sure. Research. As you can see, you can also get here some suggestion which you deleted in the past. So now let's say select this one right here. Now what we are going to do is we can copy this or we can restore, and so it says restore version from 9 minutes ago. As you can see, we can also do it for most of them just like that. And now we need to have it right here in this our project basically. And this is basically how you can do that. Also, we have a different way to do that. So how we can do that is simply just copy this text and then we can paste it into a new thing here. So when you create new file, you can just paste it in. And this is basically it, how you can recover deleted Obsidian nodes. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.